Scientists from the University of Havana are engaged on long-term studies of the Cuban flora and fauna. They hope to build up databases that will show if the health of these ecosystems is changing under the influences of potentially destabilizing factors like tourism, fishing and of course global warming. Operation Wallacea has joined with the University of Havana and is providing exciting expedition opportunities for school groups and university students wanting to play a part in this project. The main thrust for those on expedition is to work out in the isolated Guanacabibes Peninsula and monitor sea turtles as they come ashore to lay their eggs. However, during the day, students are given the opportunity to study marine invertebrates, butterflies, spiders, snakes and other creatures. The data obtained is used by the University of Havana. This group of students is making quadrats to be used to calculate the frequency of invertebrates at different points along the shore. On another occasion, students were taken to an ancient cave system to study its inhabitants. In the main, the only light was that from our torches, but occasionally there were fissures in the coral limestone letting shafts of light in, along with dense tree roots reaching down into the watery caverns. The only sound was from groups of bats, which huddled together in readiness for nightfall and the opportunity to search for food. What can you tell us about this bat?
It's an endemic species, thought to be extinct because only fossil remains were found throughout Cuba. And in the 90s, a biology student found this species alive in this cave. This looks like a male, of course.
The caves also support other species that live on the bats or their wastes. This creature is a whip scorpion.
They are ready. Go. It's okay to collect?
Yeah, go.
As we delve deeper, we came across tarantula spiders. This one was captured and then taken back to camp to be observed.
Bravo!
And finally, we came across this fantastic Cuban boa constrictor. Our scientific experts told me that this kind of snake will move to the entrance of the cave and can actually catch bats in flight. The next day, under the close supervision of our expert scientists, we were allowed to handle some of the animals. Safety is of course of the utmost importance, and all volunteers are made aware of the dangers around them and how to minimise risks.
I bring this one because it's an endemic.
Some of the students were a little bit wary of the animals, but with the correct guidance, they were soon able to handle them confidently. It must be stressed that it's not normally Operation Wallacea policy to allow school groups to handle snakes. However, in Cuba there are no known poisonous snakes.